Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. GT350R today. We're gonna dyno it. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. I'll hop out of this thing, we'll take a look at it, and then we'll roll the drums. Let's check it out. Alright, I know you know that I do a lot of GT350 videos. We do a lot of Whipple Superchargers on them, which of course this one has right here. But it's an R model. This car is sick. Carbon fiber wheels, killer wing. They have rear seat delete from the factory. They have a lot of cool options. And I know in the last video I told you guys I'm gonna have to own one of these someday, and now today, that was like 2 days ago, I'm in this one right here. I really like it a lot. You have, of course, the red stripes, kind of like a dead giveaway, little pinstripes on the side, as well as the red emblem on the front. But let's go look at the engine compartment. We did the Whipple Supercharger. Dog's with me today. Let's come around here and look at this. So this is our standard recipe we do on GT350s. It's been very successful. They make really good power. We're gonna go down to this carb. We have the Whipple Supercharger. We install, of course, billet oil pump gears, cooling mods, and kooks headers. That's basically the great recipe on these cars. Have a really reliable car, as well as make over 700 roll horsepower. So I'm gonna pull in the dyno cell. I'm gonna make a couple back-to-back pulls, probably 2, and then we're gonna look at the numbers and we'll wrap this up. Okay, a couple things. One, please excuse the sweat. This is classic Indiana. We're in July right now. It's about 100-degree heat index in the dyno cell, so I'm doing my best to try to stay dry for you guys. And don't forget the description. I'll put links to all those parts I just showed you when we were outside, as well as if you want this installed, you email quote@brenspeed.com. They'd be happy to tell you the price. Here we go. First pull was 750 the tires, SAE. And then our torque was basically 519.99, it's called 520 rear wheel torque. And then I backed it up with a 743 rear wheel horse and 524 torque SAE. Doug, I want to show you guys one more thing, or girls out there, look right here. Hammered it, 3,000 RPM, we're over 500. 4,000, over 500. 5 over 5, 6 over 5, 7 over 5, 8,000 RPMs right there. Just fell below 500 rear wheel torque. That is one flat curve. And you guys know I love that. I love it when it flat lines, and that's what's great about the 350 and the 350R with the Whipple. When you stomp it, you get full torque. Great when you're road racing, great on the street, and if you're a drag racer, that is good as well. So again, I'm Brent from Brens. If you have a question about this, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.